Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin camper, along with Zena the Glamper camper. Now, some of you may know that I work at this place called One Step Beyond Inc. It's a nonprofit for adults with intellectual disabilities. It is a super fun place to work, and right now we're actually doing a contest, and it's to see which members and staff can be the most active. So I am charting going to work on my bicycle. Ride my bike and walk all the time on the daily. So I am just charting all of my activity, and we're gonna see if I can win. Here we are. I've worked here for a number of months now, and I really like it. Super fulfilling. Love the job. Well, that was me just like totally failing at yoga. But so far, I have been tracking all of the activity that I've been doing, like walking, riding my bike, even stuff like swinging. But I used to do yoga all the time. And I just found this guy on YouTube. The channel is Breathe and Flow. I just did his yoga for beginners class. And I mean, yoga gets pretty intense. I mean, I haven't done it in a long time, so I'm pretty terrible, but yeah, definitely recommend checking out this channel. Well, today I went on a short little walk with Zena this morning. She was not feeling it, so we didn't go far. Then I got home, did a yoga YouTube video tutorial thing, and then I did 2 Pilates YouTube video tutorial things. I really like these Pilates videos by Jessica Valens. And now I am riding my bike to work. It is funny though, because I just found out how to view the leaderboard. So I don't think I'm gonna win anything, but I'm still gonna keep charting all of my activity. Just because, I mean, being active and getting out and enjoying nature makes me feel good. And I want to inspire other people to be a little bit more active if they want. I love Asian pears. So throughout the week, I used the Under Armour Map My Ride app to track all of my bike rides. Now I should have downloaded the Map My Run to map my walks, but I just used the Map My Ride app for that as well. MoveSpring was the app that my work was using for this challenge. Well, I am on my final bike ride home of the week. Let's head home and tally up all of my activity this week. I would definitely not recommend MoveSpring. It's very complicated and it doesn't let you input activities through the whole week. So MoveSpring only let me input activities through Thursday because that's how the competition was run, but I wanted to count all the way through Friday. So then I had to go to Map My Ride and just add in everything that I did like Friday afternoon on through Friday evening. So right here I'm just adding that stuff up to calculate my average minutes of activity every day. Now I want some of you to realize that you are still active throughout the day even when you're at work. Unless you're sitting down, if you are walking around, lifting stuff, moving, walking, that is all still activity and you should still feel proud of yourself. And if you don't sit at a desk all day, if you are active all day at work, I don't think you should feel as much pressure to work out every single day or go on a bike ride every single day. I just think everyone should realize that they're active at work and they should feel good about that. So for the entire week, I was active for honestly a pretty long time. 2,352.2 minutes. That equates to 39.2 hours. And if you divide that out between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I think I did a pretty good job. I was actively moving for 7.84 hours a day. Now, some of my activity did not include like physically moving with a GPS like when I did yoga and Pilates, but I still did want to calculate my average miles walked or ridden each day. So I just had to do the same thing. I just had to go to MoveSpring, get the final number that ended Friday morning, Thursday evening, and then I just had to go back to Map My Ride to add in the rest of my activities. And so for miles, after I added everything up, I ended up with 53.43 miles. If you divide that out by every day, it's 10.686 miles per day. And I have learned a few things during this experience. Even before this contest, I have always been an active person throughout the week, but it has been an intriguing or an interesting experience kind of charting everything. And I do have a couple of tips to help other people that are busy working a full-time job during the week to help stay active. Obviously, my number one tip would be to ride your bike to work. Seems like a big deal, but I mean, once you start doing it, it's just fun. And mentally, you feel good about it because it makes you feel accomplished once you get to work every day and once you get home every day. And you're saving on car insurance and on gas prices. So that's my all-time number one tip to stay active when you have a full-time job. But my other tip is, there's not always a reason that you have to leave the house. If you want to be active, you don't even have to go outside. You can just get on YouTube and watch one of the thousands, I mean probably millions, of workout videos. And not only are there workout videos that are super hard, but they have easier videos like I did, like yoga and Pilates. Now they're not like super easy. I was still sweating and breathing hard, but they're a lot easier than like a intense workout that you gotta drive 20 minutes to the gym and work out for an hour. Another tip I have is to not think that you have to do a huge workout. Now, a few days I did like go on super long walks and I did ride my bike a lot. But when you're at home watching a YouTube video, working out, doing yoga or Pilates or any kind of workout, you don't have to pick like a 45-minute video. You can literally do a 10-minute video and afterward you still feel sore. So mentally, you did a good job. You feel good about yourself because you know that you did good for your body because you are sore, but you didn't have to kill yourself for 45 minutes or an hour. And if you do that way, if you pick like shorter videos, then you can do a couple. Like the Pilates videos I did one Pilates workout just for my neck, and then you can do other Pilates videos that are for other parts of your body. And my last tip is to get up early, because if you live in Arizona like us, you try to work out after work, it's like 100 degrees outside. So I definitely recommend getting up as early as you can force yourself to do something. So I try to get up in between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. What are you doing? And yes, you can still do that even when you have a full-time job.